Hey you! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Connie. So today's video is going to be a Dossier Perfumes unboxing. So I have the perfumes right here. So Dossier is a perfume brand that sells high-end inspired perfumes for way less. So every perfume on their site is $39, and you can also get up to 30% off of their perfumes using the welcome offer that they have. So you get 20% off for the welcome offer, and then if you use my discount code, which is going to be in the description box, you get 10% off extra on top of the 20%. So again, my discount code will be in the description box down below. So anyways, let's get started and let me show you guys the perfumes that I picked, or the ones that I got. So here's the first one right here. So another thing that I really love about them is that they include a little sample of the scent so that you can kind of spray it and see if you like it. And if you do not like it, then you can just return it and they will give you a full refund. Of course, the big bottle has to be unopened for you to get the refund. So that's why they include this little sample first. So here is the actual perfume right here. So here's what the perfume looks like. And I think this is a really good size. So the first scent that I got is called Gourmand White Flowers. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this one is inspired by the Flower Bomb perfume. And that one costs, I think, $80 for the smallest size available. But this one is $39 and it's pretty much the same. And here is the other scent that I got. Again, it comes with the little sample so you can spray it and see if you like it. So this one is called Woody Hyacinth, and this one is actually inspired by Chance by Chanel. I actually have a small little sample of the Flower Bomb perfume, so I'm gonna try both of these on my wrist right now and compare them. Okay, so here is my tiny little sample of the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. Don't laugh, I got this like with my Sephora points or something. Okay, and here is the Dossier brand perfume right here. This is the Gourmand White Flowers. And this one, you gotta twist it off. And I'm gonna put some over here on this. Here's the Flower Bomb. Oh yeah. They definitely smell the same to me. Like, I cannot tell a difference. Okay, so after comparing them, they definitely smell the same to me. I don't notice any difference in either of their scents. So I definitely recommend the Dossier perfume if you want to save some money. Okay, and for the Woody Hyacinth, I don't have the Chance by Chanel. I have tried it before though, and this one smells really similar to it too. It smells so good. That's going to be it for my Dossier unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what your guys' favorite scent is or what your favorite perfume is. And if you guys like change them when it's like a different season. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.